Alright, finally, after like 2 hours of just figuring out how this could possibly work, I think I finally figured out the algorithm. And it's still wrong! So anyway, guys, you know how I said I was gonna do image recognition or color recognition or something last video? Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Let's just X out of that and come up with a new idea. Just kidding. It's the beginning of the video. Did you think that I didn't have a backup plan? Of course I have a backup plan. It's this right here. Yeah, that's right. It's my assistant. Right here. There we go. So, I've always wanted to have a personal, assistant, that I coded myself. Because lots of really cool people in movies have them. Like, Tony Stark has Jarvis, and so this code is going to be my version of that. I figured out that there's 3 main things that these assistants do for the people in movies. I've only figured out one of the things, which has just been me experimenting with different websites using APIs with Google. I think that my next 2 videos are going to be about figuring out how to decide things with people and how to make ideas for people. That'll all be based on information. This is like a sort of artificial intelligence, sort of just an assistant. I'm probably just gonna call this an assistant because I haven't done any of the actual artificial intelligence yet. So far I have this code. I'm just gonna run it so that you guys can see what it does. So first it sends off this little notifications that says which platform would you like to run, and all of these buttons do different things. You can toggle through them by pressing tab or just clicking on one of them. The only one that I've actually coded yet, however, is the web helper. As soon as you click this, another window pops up that's gonna ask you, what of these programs would you like to use? This first program is called Search. It's just a Google search, so whatever you type in here, like how to eat an egg, it will just search that up on the internet for you. So the next command is the calculate command. It will search it in the Google Calculator feature, and it will display the answer. Next command is called define, and it will search up a definition of whatever word you put in here. Like if you wanted to know what the word super meant, it doesn't correct your spelling errors, then you will get the definition. This next function, called synonyms, whenever you type it, it will find you a synonym of word. It would take you to thesaurus.com and show you synonyms. The next function is called translate. Now, this was a hard one to do. I'd never done anything like this before. And then you have to do the abbreviations of the word. So you have to, so English is EN. I don't know if that converts it to Spanish or Arabic. Okay, so that's gonna convert it to Spanish. So it converted, can you please pass the gravy, to please,
la salsa.
And as long as you know the abbreviation for the language, you should be able to do that. This next one is very interesting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it because it does get your location from Google, but it will actually take your current location, no matter what that is, and it will send you... Oh, I wonder if it works if you get a VPN. I don't actually know how to get a VPN or if this code would work on it if I ran it. I'm not sure what just happened there. That's never happened before. Okay, that was just a little glitch. I'm sure it's because I searched something up as the code was running. But yeah, it will display your location. I'm gonna blur this whole thing out because it is currently showing directions from where I live to Walt Disney World in Florida. So, the last command, which is the one that I'm most proud of, this wasn't even that hard to code, but this is awesome. I mean, not that I want to know how to do that, but, and then it will ask you if you want to open the sites. I'm gonna put yes. It's gonna take a little bit. And then it will open all of the sites. It shows all of the links that came up here, and it takes you to all the sites if you say yes. Yeah, that was all the code that I have so far. This video might be a little bit shorter than normal because I need to get back to work and do more code. I have lots of other projects that I want to do this summer, and I'm being a go-getter right now. So I'm gonna go get. Bye, everyone.